guys, so I have this little pack of like random lures that I've like, they're like ripped in half or broken. But I'm gonna try to use those today. Oh, Maddie, last time I was here, I caught a few bass on these little ribbit topwater frogs.
Were you fishing in topwater?
I was fishing it like in the water and skipping across the top. But yeah. See if I can't get one with this half of a wacky rig right there. Maddie, what are you using today? Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Oh, just caught my GoPro with the bag. All right, let's see if we can't get one. So today we're just flipping the little wacky rig up underneath all these trees and stuff. See if we can't get a nice one, but I actually just got snagged in a tree, so we'll get back to you. How big?
Like probably like a 40 pound.
You think I can eat your fly? I would leave happy today with a 1 pounder.
I just want to fish.
Yes, sir. This got eaten. Oh, yep. It feels pretty good. Never mind. A little nicin'. Ooh.
Hurry, put my fly in front.
He's close to a pound, you think?
Yeah.
He's got some beautiful colors. Nice little one right there. Let's get some more. What? Did you have one?
No, I saw a bat he got in the darkness. Fishing is super shallow. He was chasing right behind him.
Alright guys, it is day 2. We are here with Maddie today. We're gonna attempt to catch us a biggin. And yeah. Alright guys, so we're at the pond. And we just got here. First cast was landed in the water. Do I already got a fish?
Look at the size of this wacky rig I'm going to use. Yeah.
Alright guys, we're out here with Maddie, but this landed a little solid 1/2 pounder. Hopefully we don't get the first cast curse.
I mean,
Beautiful
honestly, if
color.
both of us got them, we just go and turn around. I think there was a turtle right there.
Yeah, probably. Beautiful little fish right there. See if we can't get a few more though.
I have a tiny little jig that weighs...
Oh, there's a deer right there. There's a few deer. Alright guys, there's a few deer over there in the distance. But Maddie's flicking like a 1-inch wacky rig up in a little corner. Did you catch one last time we were here, Maddie?
No.
Alright. Well, hopefully we can get a little more. Maddie just caught a new PB. You want me to get you a little photo, Maddie?
Of course.
Alright, I got you. Alright guys, we got the photos. Maddie's putting his
New PB.
his 6 pounder back in the water.
Oh yeah. 10 pounds on the dot.
Yeah, it's a YouTube 12 pounder.
Eddie has a thumbnail. The thing is like half the size of me. No PB.
Let me grab him for you then. Alright guys, Maddie has a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Maddie, it was like a 1.5.
Man.
It got off. Alright, so it's currently raining. Maddie's at 1 fish. I'm at 1 fish. And yeah. We're gonna see if we can't get any more. And we'll see y'all when we get hooked up. No! Dude, that was a nice one.